Alright, this video is going to be short and sweet. All I'm doing here is looking at 3 high-end rear hubs, and I want to compare the sound of the pause in the cassette between the 3. So I have a Hadley here. Sounds pretty good, typical. And then I have a Evo, which is Hope. Pretty much identical to the Hadley. These run about $200 for a hub. The Hadley's a little bit more, like $250 or something. And then this is a Chris King $400 hub. And listen to this. Can you even hear that? And I'll tell you, it's smooth, so smooth. Very nice. So you really get what you pay for in the quality.